Welcome to how to install IIS, HTTP, FTP, and PHP. PHP PHP is a very popular open source language specially suited for web development and it can be embedded in HTML. IIS is a web server and a set of services for the Microsoft Windows operating system. This service works a PC and a web server for the internet or intranet. That is to say that the service that this service can push in web page both locally and remotely. Go to Start Administrator tool, Server and Administrator. After it will go function, add function. Therefore, ECIS server will be selected. As a result, service will be activated in IIS application development and FTP will display a dialog box and you will be giving click on Add Service and Continue. To finish, it will be installed and the assistant will be confirm the installation. Install HTTP. First step, copy the project files to the following address, say input www.root. Afterwards, the file will be passed inside the folder so that the projects can be viewed in the browser. Therefore, we will go to the browser and enter HTTP localhost. As you can see, the web page will be displayed. Install FTP. First, to create an FTP site, you enter to the Start Administrator tool, Internet Information Service Manager. An assistant will come out. Therefore, it will be searched on the left side and right-click on FTP site and New. FTP site will be selected. As a result, a wizard will be opened to create an FTP site. You will be clicked on the follow on one and in the description. You will see that your site is about and again click on the follow one. Then the address will be selected and the port is left by default. Therefore, the IP of the first network card will be selected and next. Then leave the default option of installation user, not installation user. If it is not checked, mark that option and continue. Then the path will be opened, a window will open where you will have to local the next local disk path C input Jan F prod. Next, you will only click on the next one and the two boxes will be activated to allow the permissions of the FTP site. Next, and it will be shown that it will have been installed correctly and click and finish. Finally, the FTP site will start placing the pointer on the next button and you will be clicked and the FTP site will be started. Then the browser will open and will be placed FTP or FTP localhost and we can see its contents. By following it, we'll go to the folder where the files were stopped locked and see PHP, the file php.ini will be searched and will be copied and see Windows will be renamed to php.ini. After that, unlock this folder C called TMP will be created and as a result, the properties of the folder will be configured. Right click and properties will be given. Then we place it on the security tab and click on the edit. Then a dialog box will be displayed and click on the add the name. All will be placed and as said before when a service will have to be activated for this group except total control. For now, the IIS server will be configured so that it can read the script. It will go to the Start Administrator tool, IIS7 inside It will be placed on the name of the server and will look for the part of SAPI and SAG restriction in the section of IIS. Then the option to add will be located. In this part, the 3 points will be selected to find the access path and the browser the address. And C PHP will be located and the file PHP file will be searched and selected and in description PHP will be introduced and ready. Then to go to the main page of the server and look for the driver assignation option in the II section. One side, you will find the option to add script controller. By following in path, you will enter PHP and executable, and it will be given in the 3 points, and then a file explorer will be displayed, which we will go to CPHP and we will look for the file PHP file SAPI, and in native version of the PHP will be but. Again, you will return to the main page of the server where you will search the file document option also located in the IIS. Inside the point to add will be placed a box where it will ask for a name and index PHP will be set. Finally, it will be ordered as follows. 7. By following in cphpx and will look for the files php myscript and php mysql, and it will be copied to C Windows System 32. In the same name will the file limscript and live MySQL located in C PHP will be copied to C Windows System 32. And finally it will be rectified that everything is fine by putting a PHP file in the www root folder and the name of index.point.php will be changed and we will go to the browser and access HTTP localhost.